And it's hello. Hello, everyone. It's Terry. And it's Tuesday. And I have an unboxing video. And I'm going to be opening these with you. And I have no idea what's in them. But they're from a wonderful friend of mine called Dixie. I don't know if any of you know her or not. But she is a hillbilly like me. And I'm going to be hanging with my hillbilly people now because they're the ones I feel the most comfortable with and I trust the most. Right, Hyena? Would you like to give a blessing? Huh? Hyena? Come on, amen. No, we're not telling prophecies today. That's all the blessing you get, people. Now let me start with these packages. I'm so excited. So excited. Okay. Oh, my God. I told Dixie. I got them kind of one at a time, and I told her that I wouldn't open them until I had them all. So you're getting to see these with me. And this looks like a... Looks like it's going to be some kind of a... Oh! It is a key thing, and it has my name on it. Has my name on it. Let me see if it says anything on the bottom of it. Thank you, Dixie. I love it. West Virginia. Oh, my fucking God. West Virginia. I only wish I was from West Virginia. Thank you, my hillbilly gal. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. That's my honorary West Virginia. I love it. Now, another one. I don't want... West Virginia, oh yes. West Virginia is the best Virginia. Hillbillies and rednecks, I love them. I love them, love them, love them. What in the world? Hang on. Another one. West Virginia. I got 2 vehicles, so it'll be perfect. I can put one on each of my keychains. Look at Hyena's all like, look, Hyena. West Virginia, what do you think, baby? It's pretty neat, huh? Thank you, Dixie. Okay. Oh. .308 shell casing hat clip. Oh, this is my kind of gal. Dixie knows what I like. Caution, item is not a toy and not intended for children. Oh my God, let me open this up because I've got a hat. I've got 2 hats right here, right beside me. Only someone from West Virginia would know exactly what I love and want. Only. Dixie. Lady shot. Okay. Lady 308 shell casing hat clip. If I can figure out how to get it off of here, I will put it on my hat right now. I have 2 hats, and this will look wonderful on both of them. Okay, I'm going to put it on there right now. Oh, yes. There is my hat clip on my Trump hat. Dixie, I love it. Right there it is, people. Right there. Oh. Tell me West Virginia people aren't the best people in the United States. I know better. I'm trying to hold this up here so you can see it. Maybe I need to put this down a little bit. What's this? Library series. Let's see what... I don't want to cut anything in there. Can you see me, people? Oh, let's see what this is. Oh my God, Dixie. Oh my fucking God. I love it. It makes me want to get my real one out and show you, but I'm scared some of these assholes will turn me in. Look. Come and take it. Come and take it, you fucking little snowflake woke motherfuckers. Oh my God, Dixie. I love it. I am going to hang this baby up. I'm going to put it right here from now, but it is going to be hung where everyone can see it. Absolutely love it. Woo! I'm hitting the jackpot today, folks. Because I have an AR. Oh, I'd love to get it out. In fact, I have 2 of them. But you know there's going to be some liberal snowflakes in here watching this. I don't care because I'm a hillbilly and we survive. We're not impressed. Oh, targets. Thank you so much. Let me get this open. Oh, man. Let me get this open. I think I know what it is, though. I didn't think I'd get in trouble, but it is exactly what I thought it was, targets. Come on, start some shit with me. I know exactly. Look at that. Oh, Dixie, I love you. Dixie, I love you. Oh my God, you can never have too many targets. Look at these. I'm going to take these out to Clear Lakes and use my AR in my target to be fired at 50 feet. Look how many I got, people. Look. Oh my God, Dixie, I love you. How did you know exactly what kind of stuff I like? Well, I know how you did, because people from West Virginia are very smart like that. Okay, now this. Oh my God, I gotta get my guns out now. I have to. I've gotta get them out. I'm getting an urge to shoot. Ooh, nothing better than riding a Harley than shooting guns. More targets. And what is this? Eagle. Eagle claw. Another hat thing. Oh, yes. Can you see that, folks? It's going to go on my hat. Oh, yes. I'll put it on there, but these are some more targets. And I am a very good shot. With the AR or with my revolver. Not so much long guns. I can, but I love my AR and my revolver. I don't like automatics that good, but I have a few. And I think this would be a perfect time. Oh, yes. More targets. Oh, my God, I know what I'm going to be doing Thanksgiving Day. I'm going to be out shooting, and I'm not even going to wait till then. If I can get out there tomorrow, I'm going out there tomorrow and use some of these. Thank you, Dixie. Thank you so much. I'm going to put this one on my other hat, on my camo hat. happy. We're always shooting at cans or drawing pictures of people. Actually having real targets is going to be wonderful. So let me put this on here. So I have one for each of my wonderful Trump hats. Oh, yes. Okay. Okay, there's the bullet, people. See it? See it? And here is the other one. Go Trump. Thank you, Dixie. Thank you, Dixie. I'm going to be using the targets. I love this. And I think it would be a good, and I love my keychains, and I got one for each vehicle. West Virginia, people. Terry Wakely, West Virginia. West Virginia. Love you, Dixie. Hyena, look. Hyena's a West Virginia girl, too. And just in case, I figured hardly any of you have read it, here's a copy of the Constitution. Why don't you people get it out and read it? Especially you liberals. Get out the Constitution and read it. And now, hang on, I'll be right back. I'm going to introduce you to Pistol, a little peekapoo that is about 4 weeks old. He already has a home. He'll be leaving when he's 8 to 10 weeks old, which is proper, in case any of you people get me mixed up. Well, I'm not going to talk about it because I'm not going to ruin this lovely live. I'm going to take care of Jules and the witch later. This, everybody, is Pistol. That's what his new family named him. Pistol. Look at him. He's gonna be a Pekingese paradise puppy. Yes, I'm keeping the bloodline. Something you ordinary people don't know, but bloodlines are very, very special in the dog breeder world. And since Presley is one of Tammy Booker's bloodline, the most honor that I can ever give another breeder is to keep her bloodline going, and this little guy right here is going to be doing it. This is Picasso's baby. Picasso and Reese. He's an angel, and he looks a little bit like Hyena. Yeah, you got a little bit of a... Get up here, Hyena. Look. Look. Look at that little baby. Look at that little boy. You like him? No? There he is, folks. The first reveal, except, of course, for his new family. Ah, no, buddy. I'm going to put you back with your mommy. I'm putting you back with your mommy. Yeah. Goodness sakes. Put you back in with your mommy. You're so fat. You are so fat, little guy. Yeah. Dixie, thank you so much. I got a hat pin for both my hats, a keychain for both my cars, and now I'm going to take you outside because I have something else to show you. Dixie, girl, you are You are unbelievable. I don't care. Oops, I stepped on one of them. Ha! I might be trying them guns out sooner than you think, people. Duck. Duck. Oh, I'd love to get my guns out right now, but I know how you fucking cop callers and snitches work, so that ain't gonna happen. Maybe some other time, somebody that's a little bit dumber. Come here. Come on, kiddos. Want to come out? Come on. Come on. They're scared that stuff won't. I have to show you what is happening here in my paradise on a November day. Look at this. Brand new roses, people. Brand new roses. Can you believe it? And look at these over here. These are those Queen Elizabeth ones. Blooming everywhere. Believe it or not, it's November. Dixie, I think these roses bloom special for you, girl. And here's another one coming out. Unbelievable. Some of the other stuff has pretty much had it, but the roses, wait till you see this. There's some more of them. Beautiful roses. I barely can see them because the sun's shining right at me. Move. See them up through there? Beautiful. It's supposed to be raining tomorrow. Dixie, I think the rose is blooming. Pistol looking so great and having a wonderful home already. This special unboxing was for you. My special hillbilly people that I should have never left. I should have stayed with them. I shouldn't have tried to wander around to other communities where I'm not appreciated or understood. From now on, I'm going to stick with my own people that understand me and appreciate me. And I have to shake my pills for sure now for West Virginia. For you, Durkee, all you hillbillies, rednecks, and I'm putting cowboys in that too because I heard somebody make a little disparaging remark about cowboys. All of them I'd rather be with than a bunch of fucking liberals. All of them. Any of them. Dixie, I love you, girl. Thank you so much. Hello. Hello, everyone.